Hi guys, today we are going to make a crochet peach keychain. This pattern is very cute, but make sure you have some basic crochet skills before watching this tutorial video. The basic video will be attached to the description. I use 3mm crochet hook and 4-ply yarn. Let's start with the main body of the peach. Make a magic ring as usual. Make a chain on top of it. Start making a single crochet. In row 1, we need to make 6 single crochet in a magic ring. Release the hook and tighten the ring. And then, slip stitch in the first single crochet to end this roll. In row 2, make 1 single crochet and 1 increase alternately. Make a chain to start the roll. 1 single crochet. One increase in the next. To make an increase, crochet 2 times in the same stitches. Repeat this pattern for 2 more times. Slip stitch in the first single crochet to end this roll. In row 3, make single crochet, increase, single crochet along the stitches. Make a chain to start. 1 single crochet. One increase in the next. One more single crochet. Repeat this pattern for 2 more times. Make a slip stitch to end this roll. Row 3 is completed. In row 4, make 1 single crochet and 1 increase for 6 times. Remember to make a chain before starting. Repeat for another 5 times. Make a slip stitch in the end. Row 4 is completed. In row 5, make single crochet, increase, single crochet along the stitches. Make a chain to start. Repeat for another 5 times. Make a slip stitch to end this roll. In row 6, make 3 single crochet and 1 increase for 6 times. Make a chain to start. Make an increase here. Repeat the pattern for 5 more times. Make a slip stitch in the end. Row 6 is completed. In row 7, make 2 SC, 1 increase, 2 SC along the stitches. Make a chain to start. 2 single crochets. One increase in the next. Two single crochets. Repeat for another 5 times. Make a slip stitch in the end. Row 7 is completed. In row 8 to row 12, make 1 single crochet in each of the stitches, total 36 for each row. Row 12 is completed. In row 13, we are going to decrease the stitches. Remember to make a chain before starting next row. Make 2 single crochets first. And then, make a decrease here. To make a decrease, insert the crochet hook into the outer half of the next stitch and the inner braid of the following stitch. Pull out the yarn and make a single crochet as usual. A decrease is completed. Continue to another 2 single crochets. Repeat the pattern for 5 more times. Slip stitch every time when the row ends. In row 14, make 3 single crochets and 1 decrease. Repeat the pattern for 5 more times. Row 14 is completed. In row 15, make 1 single crochet, 1 decrease, 1 single crochet. Repeat 5 more times. Row 15 is completed. Now we can add some fiber cotton into the pieces. Make a chain to secure the knot. Put back the crochet hook. In row 16, make 1 single crochet and 1 decrease for 6 times. Repeat the pattern for 5 more times. Row 16 is completed. In row 17, make 6 decreases. Make a slip stitch in the end. Lastly, make a chain to secure the knot. Spare some yarn and cut. Use yarn needle to close up. And then, use the remaining yarn to tie out the shape of peach. Secure the yarn by sewing a few more rounds. Hide the yarn properly. Let's proceed to the leaf part. Firstly, make 20 chains. A chain is completed. Continue doing the rest of them. And then, follow this pattern for the first half leaf. Reverse, and make the single crochet on the second last chain. Follow by half double crochet. Insert the hook into the next chain. Double crochet in next. One more double crochet. Half double crochet. Single crochet. And then, skip 6 chains and slip stitch. Continue doing the rest of them. When finishing it, make 3 single crochets in the last chain. One side of the leaf is completed. Continue to another side by follow this pattern. Make sure you crochet symmetrically with the first half leaf. Skip the chains and make a slip stitch. Continue doing the rest of them. Make a slip stitch in the end. Make a chain and cut the yarn. Clear the excess yarn. Now, glue the leaf onto the pieces. Put on the keychain. I am glad that you make it here. Hope you enjoy crocheting.